This is John with WTI, and with one of the best headphones that I've tried this year. This is the Soundcore Life Q35s. So one of the things that I like the most about these headphones instead is that they're comfortable, well padded, great bass, and long lasting battery. And one thing that it was surprising to me. So when I bought them, I wanted to use them for the gym. But lately I've been using these guys for gaming. I just plug it in my computer and I've been gaming and playing, and like the whole surroundings, everything, every little detail of the game is just displayed beautifully in these headphones. So if you're looking for headphones that are going to be long lasting in the battery, great app support with the Soundcore app, and great bass, and you can actually customize overall your sound profile in the application, this is going to work great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.